Welcome to Video 2, Architecture Overview, where we will compare the DI API and UI API. We'll explore the two main SDK layers crucial for SAP Business One development. In this video, we will cover the SAP Business One SDK architecture, deep dive into the DI API and UI API, and look at a decision framework to guide your development choices with real-world scenarios. The SAP B1 SDK architecture is layered. The inner core is SAP Business One itself, handling the primary database and core ERP data. The DI API sits above this layer, managing data operations and business object access. The UI API is the outermost layer for user interface integration and the user experience. The DI API, or Data Interface API, enables direct access to SAP Business One business objects and database operations. It focuses on backend operations and database-level access, requiring no user interface rendering. Key DI API use cases include creating business objects like sales orders, updating records, querying data using filters, and handling parent-child relationships between business objects. The UI API is the front-end extension layer. It extends the SAP Business One client application, allowing you to customize menus, forms, and user interactions. You can modify existing UI elements, handle user events, and create custom buttons and fields. UI API is used for custom menus on the SAP B1 navigation tree, extended forms with new fields and controls, and event handling, which responds to user actions like button clicks and data changes. In summary, the DI API is for back-end data operations and is faster, depending only on the database. The UI API is for front-end customization and user interaction, with higher complexity and dependency on the client application running. Use the DI API for server-side tasks like data imports or batch processing. Use the UI API for user-facing features, like custom buttons or extending forms. Most applications need both APIs, UI for interaction and DI for data operations. The key takeaways are that DI API and UI API are two distinct layers, often used together as complementary tools. Remember that the DI API is faster for bulk operations, while the UI API requires the client to be running. Our next video will cover the required tools and installations to start our first add-on.